Probably back in some previous biology courses, we learned that snakes evolved from lizards, and that the first snakes weren't venomous, and then along came more advanced snakes, the venomous snakes. Okay, venomous snakes are the ones that secrete poisonous substances of venom, like the snakes of the viper family or cobras. Then there is non-venomous snakes like constrictors and pythons. Now, what if I told you that there is a good chance that almost everything I just said is wrong? Well, everything except the part about snakes evolving from lizards. See, the basic theory about snake evolution has been challenged by a recent study that revealed a whole new understanding of evolutionary relationships for reptiles, which reptiles descended from which ancestors. The researchers studied the proteins in the venom genes of various species of snakes. The research found that venom evolved before snakes even existed, about 100 million years before. Now, a couple of venomous lizards were included in this study, and the researchers found some of the same DNA in their venom as in the snake's venom. This suggested that the common ancestor of all snakes was actually venomous lizards, which means that actually according to this research anyways, in terms of the snake's ancestry, there is no such thing as a non-venomous snake. So if there are no truly non-venomous snakes, or the so-called non-venomous snakes like the constrictors and pythons, were they venomous at some point in their evolution? Well, that's not clear at this point. Constrictors have evolved to kill their prey by crushing, but perhaps they were once venomous, and then at some point, their venom-producing apparatus that wasn't needed anymore, so it gradually disappeared. There's one species of snakes, brown tree snake, that uses both constriction and venom, depending on its prey. So well, it is possible. So we have these new concepts of snake evolution and a new DNA database, all this information on the genetic makeup of snake venom. And what we have learned from this has led researchers to believe that venom proteins may have some exciting application in the field of medical research. You see, venom alters biological functions in the same way certain drugs do, and the big benefit of drugs made from snake venom would be that they target only certain cells. So maybe that will create fewer side effects. Now, it sounds far-fetched. Venom is the basis for human drugs. So far, only one protein has been targeted for study as a potential drug, but who knows, maybe someday.
Okay.